This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sensitive content on Discord. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Discord here. I have the Discord app opened up now. This should work exactly the same on the browser version as it does on the desktop app. But to enable or disable sensitive content, you want to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. You want to click on the gear wheel. Then you want to go up to where it says Content and Social. Click on Content and Social. And on the center pane here, I have it on the Discord app. And on the center pane, Sensitive Content Filters. Choose how you want to see image-based media detected by Discord sensitive content filters. It has a Learn More button here, but then it gives you two tabs, Mature Media and Graphic Media. I have it on Mature Media right now. It gives you three options: direct messages from friends, direct messages from others, or messages in server channels. It gives you a drop down here. You can select show, blur, or block for each one of these. You can do the same on graphic media if you want to. But that is how to enable or disable sensitive content on Discord. Thanks for watching.